Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the process of replacing the LCD cover on your Dell Inspiron laptop. This task requires a few specific tools and some patience, but with this guide, you'll be able to accomplish it with ease. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to avoid any static damage to your components. Make sure you also have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging all cables. It's crucial to ensure that there's no power running through the device. Next, carefully remove the battery if your model allows it. This step will help in preventing any accidental power-ups during the repair. Now, let's move on to removing the old LCD cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all the screws that are securing the LCD cover in place. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them to secure the new cover later. Once all screws are removed, take your prying tool and gently work your way around the edges of the LCD cover. Be cautious as you do this, applying too much force can damage the screen beneath. Slowly lift the cover off until it's completely detached. If you're unsure or uncomfortable performing these steps, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the situation. With the old cover removed, it's a good time to clean the internal components. Use a microfiber cloth to carefully clean the screen and the surrounding areas. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, and cleaning now will ensure that your new cover fits perfectly and looks great. Next, take your new LCD cover and align it with the hinges and screw holes. Press it down gently to fit it into place. Once you're satisfied that everything is aligned, use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. This will secure the new cover firmly in place. If you find that you don't have the tools or feel uneasy about the process, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can sit back and relax while we handle the repair for you. Plus, we provide a quote before the repair is initiated, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. After securing the new cover, it's time to reattach the battery if you removed it earlier. Plug your laptop back in and power it on. Ensure that the display is functioning correctly and that the new cover is properly seated. If everything is in order, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Dell Inspiron. Finally, if you run into any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember our service includes no calls, no travel, just convenient, professional repair solutions right at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.